Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best products for every need. Today, we're diving into a product that's perfect for artists, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro. If you're in the market for a high-quality sketchbook, look no further than the Artisto 9x12 Premium Sketchbook Set. This sketchbook set is hands down the best choice for adults looking for a reliable, versatile sketchbook. Whether you're into drawing, sketching, or illustrating, these sketchbooks are designed to meet all your artistic needs. The set includes 2 spiral-bound sketchbooks, each containing 100 sheets of smooth, acid-free drawing paper. With 200 sheets in total, you're getting more than enough space to create. Whether you're working with pencil, charcoal, pastels, or even crayons. One of the standout features of this sketchbook is its high-quality paper. At 100 GSM, the paper is thick enough to handle various dry media, giving you a sturdy surface to work on. It's bright white, which enhances the vibrancy of your colors and allows you to achieve intricate details with ease. And because the paper is acid-free, it ensures that your artwork stays preserved for longer, preventing any yellowing or deterioration over time. The spiral binding is another thoughtful touch. It allows for smooth, easy page turning, making it perfect for uninterrupted creativity. And with micro-perforated pages, removing a sheet is a breeze, making this sketchbook ideal for sharing your art or framing it without any hassle. In terms of durability, these sketchbooks stand out. The binding is strong, and the pages turn smoothly without any risk of tearing or damage. Whether you're sketching at home, in the studio, or on the go, this sketchbook can handle it all. Plus, it's a great choice for kids, teens, and adults alike, so if you're looking to gift a sketchbook to someone who loves to draw, this is a fantastic option. Overall, the Artisto 9x12 Premium Sketchbook Set is the best sketchbook for adults who are serious about their art. With its premium paper, smooth binding, and overall durability, it's the perfect tool to help you bring your artistic visions to life. Whether you're sketching for fun or creating professional-level artwork, this set provides the foundation you need to create your best work. Thanks for tuning into Product Critique, and don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth product reviews.